Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Broke Millennial. Today's video is going to be a body care and a skincare haul. So मैंने सब कुछ जो भी products मैंने purchase किया है वो मैंने Amazon से purchase किया है. मैं उन सभी products का link I'll be providing it in the description box. So please do not forget to check out the link and the description box. Also, in this video I would not be speaking in depth about all these items. I'll be giving a short description regarding the items and the textures. So without any further delay, let's get right into the video. So now, as you can see, I have a huge box of a lot of body care and skincare items. Like without any particular order, I'll be starting with a random item, which is this Fix Derma sunscreen. Now this sunscreen, you can see it's the Fix Derma Shadow Sunscreen and it is 30 SPF and it's a gel based sunscreen. Now this sunscreen is a milky lotiony kind of a sunscreen. It's not a clear gel, it's a lotiony kind of a sunscreen, but it is very fast absorbing onto the skin. I have oily, acne prone, oily to combination sort of an acne prone skin, and it's very sensitive. Like if I use any sort of actives on a huge amount, I start getting redness and my skin starts burning. So I have used this item, this sunscreen, for maybe a week or two, and I can undoubtedly say that it is one of the best sunscreen, the best purchase that I've ever made till date. So I'll be showing you the texture of this sunscreen. Oops, a lot came out. So this the texture of this sunscreen is very gel-like. It is not a clear gel, but it's very gel-like. You can see it's very gel-like, and it gets absorbed like a lotion. It completely gets absorbed on the skin. As you can see, for a second, as you can see, there is no white cast or nothing. Like it's not sticky, it's not greasy at all. You need just maybe 30 seconds to blend in this sunscreen, but it is really fast absorbing and it doesn't leave any greasy or any white cast or any sticky feeling. So this is till date the best sunscreen that I've ever purchased, and being an oily skin and an acne prone skin, this sunscreen has not fortunately broken me out. So yeah, this is a yay from my side. So the next item which I have is the Minimalist 10% Vitamin C Serum. So this is the serum with me. This is the Minimalist transparent skincare for brighter and illuminating skin. So it's the vitamin C 10% plus AG 1%. Now this has ethyl ascorbic acid as well as Centella asiatica. This retails for 699 rupees and we get 30 ml of the product, as you can see. Now I'll be showing you the texture of this serum. It's a very lightweight serum. Just a second, I'll be putting in a drop. Now you need to just take 3-4 drops for your entire face. Now this is the texture of the serum. It's very lightweight and it's completely a watery kind of a serum. You don't, like, for me personally, I have not felt any sort of burning or itchy tendency after I have applied the serum. But yes, you have to keep one thing in mind, is that when you use the serum, it takes maybe 2 to 3 minutes to get absorbed in the skin. While you apply it, it takes 2 to 3 minutes to get absorbed in the skin, and then after that you can go on with a moisturizer or any sunscreen which you want to. Now this serum is very lightweight, very watery. It doesn't burn my skin, it doesn't cause any redness. Another thing जो मैंने इस सीरम को लगाने के बाद नोटिस किया है is that within 2 to 3 minutes my skin starts glowing. Now you believe it or not, it does really happen and it really does change my skin. So now the third item which I have here is the Mamaearth Aqua Glow Moisturizer. Now इसका पैकेजिंग कुछ ऐसा आता है. You can see this is the Mamaearth Aqua Glow Gel Face Moisturizer, and it is for 699 rupees, and you can use any content creator codes who are associated with this brand, and you can get an off on this product as well, maybe some amount of discounts आपको मिल जाएगा, and it is a 100 gram product. So this moisturizer, now I'll show you the texture of this moisturizer. इसका texture देख के आपको क्या लगता है ये कौन सा moisturizer का dupe हो सकता है? And here is dupe according to the texture. So you can see that the gel moisturizer, I have used it, it's very gel like, it's slightly bluish in color. If you can make it out from here, it's slightly bluish in color, and it's very gel based. It's very lightweight gel based. I've used this product. Now you can see I've applied it on my skin, and just after rubbing it for some time, it is vanished completely into my skin. There is nothing left, there is no stickiness, nothing. Now this lotion, I mean I'll be speaking about another item जो कि मैं इसके साथ mix करके लगाती हूँ, that is even prescribed by my dermat. So and in all, if talking about this item in alone, अगर आपका थोड़ा सा ड्राई स्किन है तो आई एम प्रिटी श्योर कि आपको इस प्रोडक्ट से बेनिफिट ज़रूर मिलेगा. ना अभी अगर आपका स्किन का मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई है, जैसे मेरा है बहुत ही ज़्यादा ड्राई है, तो आपको इसके साथ another item which is the NMF Urea cream. Now it's a very thick cream, so I do not use it on its own. It's a 10% urea cream. Urea is meant to give hydration and moisturize your dry flaky skin, and it's very good. I mean it's very good. आप ये लगा सकते हैं. It's very good on its own, but since I have a dry skin and I do not like to use, and it's very thick, so I do not use doesn't get easily blended into my skin. तो मैं क्या करती हूँ, इसको इसके साथ Jergens के साथ I mix it, and the ratio that I use is 2:1. So I use 2 pumps of this product, and I take 1 pump of this item, and I mix it properly, and then I use it for my legs, for my hands. So, and trust me, I mean this too are a boon for my dry skin, and to all the dry skin beauty out there, do not use it for your face, you can use it for your body. As a body moisturizer, this combination is a power combination. So you can go ahead and purchase these 2 items. So the next item which I was talking about is a facial razor, right? So we female also use facial razor. So the razor which I have with me is the Kamazi facial razor. Now this like I'm showing only one razor. This is how the blade is. I hope you can see this. So you can see that there's an angle to it. तो उससे क्या होता है ना, हम शेव अच्छे से कर सकते हैं, मतलब वो एंगल हमें मिलता है जब हम शेव करते हैं, एंड क्लीन शेव आता है. इससे कोई रेजर बर्न या फिर कोई लाइक रैशेस वगैरह होने के चांसेस नहीं है, कट्स होने के चांसेस नहीं है. तो फॉर दिस रीज़न देयर इज अ स्लाइट स्लांट. So for this slant we can properly use the razor. So this comes in a set of 3. So the next thing that I have here with me is a sunscreen. Now this is not a facial sunscreen, it's from the brand Vaseline. It's not a facial sunscreen. हमारे बॉडी का भी पिगमेंटेशन इश्यूज होते हैं अगर आप ज़्यादातर टाइम धूप पे रहोगे विदाउट एनी प्रोटेक्शन, विदाउट एनी फुल स्लीव्स क्लॉथ और अ बॉडी सनस्क्रीन, you will get tanning and eventually get pigmentation. So this is a body sunscreen. It is for SPF, it comes with SPF 30, PA+++, and it's a very good lotion. It really protects you from the UV damages. And then I finally have this Nature's Tattva pharma grade Epsom salt. Now Epsom salt is magnesium sulfate, chemical है वो formula. So इसका क्या यूसेज है, और rather how I use it is जब भी मैं कभी हील्स पहन के बाहर जाके आती हूँ, या फिर रेगुलर अगर कभी मुझे टायर्ड हो रहा है, या फिर जैसे कभी मैं पेडिक्योर करती हूँ, तो मैं क्या करती हूँ, पानी में गर्म पानी में इसको 2-3 सॉल्ट्स के टेबल स्पून में उसमें डाल के आई सोक माई फीट, एंड इट गिव्स यू लाइक इमेंस रिलैक्सेशन. मतलब मैं 15-20 मिनट अपना पैर डुबो के रखती हूँ, एंड पैर के दर्द, पैर का स्मेल और अच्छा से एक रिलैक्सेशन महसूस होता है. एंड देन आई गो अहेड विथ माई पेडिक्योर. दिस इज़ नॉट अ मैंडेटरी परचेज, बट इफ़ यू वांट टू मतलब आपको बहुत एक सूदिंग सा स्पा सा पेडिक्योर चाहिए, तो आप ज़रूर इस पर इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. So guys, that's it for today's haul video. I have few other purchases, but अगर मतलब वो सारे items भी मैं include करती तो ये video बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा video बन जाता. तो मैं I'll be making a part 2 of such hauls. So let me know in the comment section below if you have some video suggestions which you would like to see. I will be making such contents for you. And for today's video, that's all pretty much about it. If you like such content, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to click on the bell notification which is right next to the subscribe button, so that whenever I upload a new video, you would be the first one to be notified. So thank you everyone, take care, bye bye.